Hey everyone, Chris here from Bricklayers Union, and in this video I'm going to show you how to build a few different public telephones for your Lego city. So let's get into it. Now, in a day and age when it seems like everyone between the ages of 8 and 88 has a cell phone, you might ask yourself why the need for public telephones? I mean, you almost never see them anywhere anymore. In fact, in 1999, there were approximately 2 million public phones in the United States alone, and nowadays there are only about 100,000, which is a drop off of 95%. But I personally believe that public phones can still serve a purpose in real life, and in a Lego city, public phones are just another detail to add a little bit of realism and give people one more thing to look at when they're checking out your city. So the first style is a simple standalone payphone that is still fairly common and can usually be found outside of convenience stores and in places like hotel lobbies, restaurants, and gas stations. The build consists of a 2x2 roof brick and a 1x2 brick for the pedestal. It has a 2x4 plate for a base with 1x2x3 transparent smoke wall elements for the sides. The body is a combination of plates and studs on side bricks. The phone itself consists of a 1x3 molded handset, 1x1 cheese slopes for the coin deposit and coin return, and a printed 1x1 tile for the keypad. And the top consists of another 2x4 plate with a 1x2 brick in white for the phone marquee, 3 1x2 bricks in black for the sides and rear, and it's topped off with a smooth 2x4 plate on top. Next, we have a standard American-style phone booth, which were commonly used into the 1970s until they were replaced with the standalone version like I just showed you. The phone inside is basically the same design as the standalone version I just showed you, just without the outer framework. The pedestal consists of a 2x2 roof brick and a 1x2 brick on top. The body is a combination of plates and studs on side bricks. The phone is again the molded 1x3 handset with 1x1 cheese slopes for the coin deposit and coin return, and the printed 1x1 tile with the keypad. The design of the booth itself consists of a 6x6 plate for the base, 3 of the 4x6 tripartite frames for the sides and rear, a 4x6 tripartite door, and I use 4 of the 1x6 round columns with the square base on the corners. The top of the booth consists of another 6x6 plate with 4 1x4 bricks in white for the phone marquees, 4 1x1 bricks in dark gray for the corners, some 2x4 bricks to fill in the middle, and I topped it off with a total of 9 2x2 tiles for a nice smooth finish up top. And finally is my personal favorite, the classic red British style phone booth. Now, these were designed by Sir Giles Gilbert Scott, and even with the proliferation of cell phones, they can still be commonly seen on the streets of the UK and in current and former British colonies. Now, I showed this design in my most recent city update video, and I got a comment from fellow YouTuber Robin Hall, who has a great YouTube channel, by the way. And Robin said that he rarely sees them, but when he does, it's usually tourists using them for a photo op. Now, the phone inside is built differently than the American-style phone. I did use the same 2x2 roof brick and 1x2 brick for the pedestal, but the phone itself consists of a 1x2 brick with the large Technic pinhole for the coin slot, a 1x1 round tile for the rotary dialer, and even though I used the same 1x3 molded handset, I did build this one to hang off the side. Now, the design of this booth is very similar to the design of the dark gray American-style booth I just showed you. It features 3 of the 4x6 tripartite frames for the sides and rear, a 4x6 tripartite door, and the 1x6 round columns with the square base on the corners. The roof consists of another 6x6 plate with 4 1x4 white bricks for the phone marquees, 4 1x1 red bricks for the corners, and I built the rounded roof using the 1x4 bow tiles all around and some 1x1 round studs in red to dress up the corners a little bit. And one added feature is the 1x1 round tile in gold built studs on side to represent the gold crown. Okay, there you have it. 3 different style public telephones for use throughout your LEGO city. If you like this video, you can let me know by giving me a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do. That's always greatly appreciated. And if you have a minute before you go, please leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. And I'd like to give another shout out to Robin Hull, Vicky from Brick After Brick Toys, Brick Trolls, and a special shout out to Dr. McBrick, who was recently a finalist in the LEGO Masters program. So special congratulations to you, Doc. That is an awesome accomplishment. And one final note, I recently opened an Instagram account, so you can also check me out on Instagram at Brick Players Union. And on that note, I'd like to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.